On the contrary, my good wordsmiths, you thought you were in for an ordinary vocabulary video. Well, friends, you are quite mistaken. Allow me to correct the record because the word we're talking about is contradict. Now it is, it's not that. It is. It's a verb and it means deny something, speak against. How it doesn't? Nah, it means the opposite. Okay, knock that off. Who are you? I'm the imp of contradiction. I contradict everything you say. That's terrible. It's great. Okay, please don't leave. Imp of contradiction. Oh yeah? I'm out of here. Right. This word comes from two Latin parts, contra, meaning against, and dicere, meaning to speak, which we usually see as dic or dict. So contradiction is speaking against something, saying, no, that's wrong, the opposite is true. If I said the sky were green, you would contradict me and say, no, David, it's blue. Or, no, David, it's black, it's nighttime. Or maybe I could contradict you right back and say, no, we're having a tornado. The sky is, for real, green right now. Let's get to shelter. Now, let's see what related words you can get out of contradict and its word parts. So I'm going to put on some music, and you go put on some words. 10 seconds. Let's go. Here are 3 I came up with. Indicate, to point out, to say, that's the one. Contrast, to show the difference between two things. To put one against the other and say, this apple is different from this mango. And dictionary, a book of all the words in a language, right? All the words that people say. Now, let's use contradict in some sentences. When Vanessa said that it was sunny outside, Orlando contradicted her. Look outside, he said. It's pouring. Right? Orlando is correcting Vanessa by saying the opposite of what you said is true. Contradiction is about saying the opposite. In that vein, let's try another one. The imp of contradiction denies everything you say. I do not. Oh, there you are. Watch this. I'm not wearing a hat. You're wearing a cowboy hat. I live in Washington, D.C. You live on the moon. You see? Saying the opposite. All right. Until next time, you can learn anything. David out. Imp of contradiction in. Hey, Imp, can I ask you a question? No. Why do you do it? It's a living.